barbecue in the rain. This is the fun. It's nice, we have all kinds of birds in the yard. Just added more fresh avocado tree branches. Continue to smoke. Barbecue is still going, and see the fresh avocado tree branches on the ground. Those will be used to generate the smoke. A lot of more leaves keep the fire going. Very nice smoke. The brisket was smoked for 6 hours. Now I'm going to wrap around with aluminum foil and put it in oven at 250 Fahrenheit for, let's say, probably 10 hours. I poked 4 holes at the bottom with a fork, and going to put this glass bowl underneath this brisket in oven to collect the oil. Okay, now it's ready to cook for about 10 hours. Oil start to drip. This brisket was cooked in oven for about 10 hours. Now it's ready to eat. I left relatively less fat this time.
Right? 你这个真是你这个太好了，技术。